Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. From in Grammar Cloud textbook, English Grammar, we will do our chapter number 2, that is subject and predicate. In first chapter, we have learned about sentence. What are sentence? What are the kinds of sentences? Right. In this base concept, we will do our second chapter, that is subject and predicate. Okay, let us see. Every sentence tells us about someone and something, what they are and what they are doing, or what they are all about. So basically sentence are of. To identify this, we divided the sentence into two parts, that is subject and predicate. You know that every sentence tells us about something, okay, or someone is something doing, what they are doing, what they are all about. Okay, so we will learn in this chapter. The name means the noun, name, place, animal, thing that we speak about. Okay, and what we speak about, subject, what is they called. So basically every sentence is telling about something and what they are doing. Okay, and also sentence are divided in two parts, as subject and predicate. The name of a person, place, or a thing that we speak about is a subject. Any noun means name, place, animal, thing we are speaking about, that is subject. Okay, what the subject is doing and what is spoken about the subject is the predicate. What we are talking about the subject means name, place, means the person, place, thing. Okay, and what is spoken telling about that subject, okay, that is predicate. From with this example we will get to know. Example is, the fishermen are catching fish. Okay, in this you find two bold letters, that is fisherman and catching fish. So let us see. The fisherman is a subject, okay, because it is a person, so it is a subject. And next is are catching fish is a predicate, means what are the fishermen doing? They are catching fish. Okay, so what I told about the predicate, what is spoken about the subject. What is telling about the said subject? Fishermen, what they are doing? They are catching fish, so it is a predicate. Okay, fishermen, you by the name you can know that is a person, that is a subject. Okay, and what is spoken telling about the sorry, telling about the subject, that is predicate. Okay, next example you can see, Lucy is playing piano. So here Lucy is a subject, right? And playing piano, what is Lucy doing? She is playing piano, is a predicate. So do you know here over here what is predicate? It is speaking about subject, what subject is doing, right? So some more example I can give you, that is aeroplane flies high in the sky. So aeroplane is a subject and fly high in the air is predicate. Okay, then wild animal live in a jungle. So wild animal is the subject and what they are doing in the jungle, they are living in the jungle, that is predicate, right? So next you can see, subject is usually placed in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, you know the subject is written in the first, written in the sentence at the beginning. Okay, but it does not mean that any word in the beginning is always a subject. If the subject is placed in the beginning, that doesn't mean that it is a subject. Okay, and subject can be placed in the end also. So we can place the subject at the end. Okay, subject can either be at the beginning, अगर beginning में है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो subject ही होगा, and end में भी हो सकता है. Okay, with that example, brush your teeth. In this sentence, teeth is the subject at the end, right? And next, up went the balloon. In this, balloon is the subject. Balloon is a thing, so it is a subject and it is placed at the end. Then number 3, refill all the empty bottle. In this, bottle is the subject, right, which is placed at the end of the sentence, right? So students, I hope you like this video and know about the subject and predicate. Okay, thank you everyone.